Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Holden Astra Hatch Astra, stock reference number 4668. This shape runs from the 9th month 2016 through to the 12th month 2020. It has a B14 XFT 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. B14 XFT 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front is a flat tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy bumper cover with a cutout for the tow bar. It's got a factory-fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loon, module and neck. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light in good condition. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and right guard which appears to have no damage. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory MyLink touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you